In this section, we will discuss what is a random variable, the outcome and different types of random variables. Let's start with a dice game. In this game, we will compute and record the sum of face values of 2 dice. We can mimic this game using Python. The dice has 6 values, with an equal chance which stands for the real dice. We use the pandas method sample to mimic the game. In the code, 2 means we are rolling 2 dice. Then we can calculate the sum for face values of these 2 dice and we get 6. This code means we roll 2 dice 50 times, we can get 50 observations or realize outcomes of the sum. Here, we print out the first 10 observations of 50 trials. You may notice that it is possible to have the same outcome since we roll dice independently in each trial. In this game, the sum, which we denote as x, is a random variable. Before we roll a die, we are not sure which outcome we can get. That is called the randomness of variable. But we know the collection of outcomes, which ranged from 2 to 12. The collection of outcomes on the right is not a random variable. Instead, they are realized or observed outcomes of values of x. Outcome is basically the results of the game. In the example above, the possible outcomes include integers from 2 to 12. So, it is called the discrete random variable. There is another type of variable, for example, the daily return of a stock price. It can take any real values. Hence, it is called continuous random variables. In the next section, we will talk about frequency and distribution.